how to establish a Wi-Fi connection to the hotspot without the charger setup app. So if you wish to use, for example, a laptop, and how to log in into the web UI, basically. So as said, what we need always is the QR code in the Unite manual, and basically all the credentials that are shown in here. So what you have in this label within the manual on the first page is you have your serial number of the charging station that you have on hand. You have the username, which is admin. This is going to be needed later. You have the master password, you have the Wi-Fi hotspot password, you have the Wi-Fi hotspot IP address so that you can access the web UI, and you have Wi-Fi and LAN MAC addresses if you need it with the setup. So if you want to connect to it via, for example, a laptop, what you can do is you choose the charging station, the serial number that you want to connect to, and then you connect to it. Here, of course, if you connect to it for the first time, you have to enter the password here. This will be the Wi-Fi hotspot password that you have seen on the list of passwords in the label file. And then once it's connected, basically, you can go into your browser and you can enter the IP address, the hotspot, the IP address that was also shown in the label. And then you can access basically the web UI interface. And here you can log in via the credentials. The username, as said, is always admin, all small letters, and then use the master password that is also given in the list. And then when you log in for the first time, or when you log in, you will always go to the main page first, where you can see general information of the charging stations, which is the serial number, which is the firmware version, and you can also see what the connection is. Are you connected via Ethernet or Wi-Fi? And you can also see the IP addresses of that network connection basically in here. So here, this is also how you check basically if you are connected to a network or not.